Can I know your name, please? Can I know your name, please?
Raman.
என்ன சார்?
Raman, sir.
ராமன் தேடிய சீதை. I am right.
Okay, sir. உங்களுக்கு என்ன இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் வேணும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாமா?
Sir,
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
just now I attended an interview, sir.
புரியல சார்.
Just now I attended an interview, sir.
Okay.
For that I want an English communication, sir.
Okay.
So do you know English, sir?
I know English. May I know your mobile number?
Please wait a minute for some time. Note this number, sir.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
99.
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
99, sir.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. Where is the number?
சொல்லுங்க சார்.
99 76
Okay.
27
Okay.
03
Okay.
75. Is it right?
Right. May I know your name, please?
Kumarasamy.
Kumar.
Kumarasamy.
Thanks for the information, Mr. Kumarasamy.
Yes, sir.
Go to
Sir?
communication.
Sorry. I can't understand.
You will go to
Yes, sir.
spoken English
Yes, sir.
training center and you get training
Sir.
in English.
Sir.
For the information.
Please.
Thanks for calling us.
Sir, please
Have a
wait.
nice day.
Sir.